Kajing permenakan san ka sarkar menta ka sengi ya kajing khangdam ka manadu sibet pra baje menmiet adu ka shpotarik menta ubnai ka porsan baje mestep kala wanra kajing ka bakhrau ba kajing khnyum na ki pai ba nong yo khamtam ki pai ba ki basong dukan ba ki badi ko thiet ki ba kamai kaji na ka yo ka hat kajing ni ngo jo ka rikit channel ki jaka yo lai ba ki pai ba ka sang banya be na bata ban thiet kerki ya kajing tang kam ki jongki mar hable banya kran ru ba ki nong yo ki la pen pau kajing songkhya ka bajur ya kan kajing pemena ka bakal sang-sang ka sokar ya kajing khangdam mar kila am ka ta shibonya ka di ka thie ka juki khamtam me kham kan ki por hapla dan lupa kajing perkheng nadu ki kisni ke bala deb
em di kajing pemena san ni kalong kajing jenjar kajing ni kuda di ki marpuut mong boong nidang simar menete ong khang no la sai ni so jenjar kanyi tila adu nong sa papalan so ya hap mo kan diging penbena kerki na marmenin kidang ong ba nyam ai lok daw ti da menta pa ti ong no community along kajing du nong ka baksaw kanyin juga balam ni ke taw da mi
hakane kajing penbena kensan kalong gai ka ba kendet yang ni kini ginong bela bat ginong bun ki bedi ka marpuut ti habang yo su ya kani kalong ka basusi yang ni ba ila di kani kamar bangila sim oda menem step ni mut bandela selesai ti menta kani kamai ila long kejing ka bastom yang iba kalau long ba hap long ba subret ba ya ka kamai insep jongi ti kani kejing ra jong sarkar kalong bang ni susi hadu kata-kata ba ki pen pau kejing long ka ba hakipat ba ta ka ba ni ilong ki ba babela step ni ba minit ti Lade ban ai ka dakapor yang ni ba kum gilasai ru dak ai lockdown kadang biang hi yang ni ba ngidang la ban pelut ya kamar ngian sai dang ba kipat ba ru kila ban thit ski kan ni pe kum kan ni ba kam dan chu ka social distance ru ha ki nong de nong thit ru la long jing yalum ti ngakerpat ya ka sarkar kan hap perkhat ha ya ka ike nadien sakmat ya kan ni bro
hani na kalang jong matri rang ba ka jala kon ra sangma wala pan pau ya ka ju jing so ka ba kam pau kin nong yo bakalong ka ba shai ki pai ba makan di kajing pemena khangdam ka bakasan kansan nenda kalang jong sarkar kambasi ban syem ya kini gilat namar bakajing kiu jong kinong pangklan nang jor ka bahadu menta kasni kala palat ya ka arhajar ngot.
We need to work together. The government has got its responsibilities to do, but this is a fight where the people of the state have to come together and fight this virus. We need to be disciplined. We need to follow protocols. We need to avoid going out if we don't need to. And at least for the next few days, we have to make a pledge to ourselves that we will fight this virus together. And we will ensure that we will not allow this virus to spread. And therefore, it is the responsibility of every citizen of the state to come together, to pledge, and to ensure that we defeat this virus together. We need to remember that we need to wear masks, we need to follow protocols, we need to avoid large gatherings. And this is the only way that in the long term, we will be able to defeat this virus. So therefore, friends, the next few days will be crucial. The reason why we have to go for some strict measures is because we feel that taking the decision at a later stage would only be making the situation worse. So right now we have reached 2,000 active cases. And if you recall, I had mentioned many days back to you that as we come closer to the 5,000 active case number, it will start putting a huge amount of stress on our healthcare. So therefore, we are today at 2,000. And so we don't want to take a chance of coming anywhere close to the 5,000 figure. And that's the reason why today at 2,000, we are taking this step. We have taken the step for the containment when we have touched 1,000. And today we're going for a complete lockdown here in East Khasi Hills because we have reached almost close to 1,200 in East Khasi Hills. And out of this 1,200, about 800 to 900 are in Shillong itself. So therefore, these measures are required. I know that this will cause inconvenience to the people, but I request our citizens to please cooperate with us and ensure that these next 5 days we work very carefully to ensure that this virus does not spread any further.